let us discuss about active site of enzyme. We know that enzymes are large molecular size as compared to that of substrate. The small portion of this enzyme take part in the catalysis. So the portion of enzyme where substrate binding occur and catalysis take place is called as active site. So definition of active site is the small portion of the enzyme where substrate binding occur and catalysis take place is called as active site. Now let us discuss the salient features of this active site. Active site is formed due to tertiary structure of protein. This tertiary structure causes three-dimensional molecule of this protein, and the active site is also three-dimensional like this, where the substrate can come and attach. The active site is formed by amino acid residues. These amino acid residues may be at far distance in primary structural sense. For example, let us discuss about lysozyme. In lysozyme, it is a 129 amino acid residue enzyme. The amino acid which are active in active site are 35, 52, 62, 63 and 101. These amino acids are at a distance in primary structural sense, but when tertiary structure is formed, these amino acids come closer. See, for example, amino acid 35 is here, 52 lies here, 62 and 63 at the cleft, and amino acid 101 is present at this level. So these amino acids which form the catalytic site are called as catalytic residues. This active site can be seen as pocket or cleft or crevices in the enzyme molecule. It is formed like structure like this. It can be seen as a pocket, cleft or crevices. Then these active sites are not rigid, but these are flexible, and these modify itself to accommodate the proper substrate. It is specific for particular substrate, but it accommodates and it modifies its shape by its flexibility to accommodate the particular specific substrate. Then this active site has one binding site and a catalytic site. At binding site, specifically substrate bind, and at the catalytic site, the substrate molecule are modified in such a way that substrate is converted into product. To this catalytic site attached are cofactors, various cofactors or coenzymes which are required for enzyme activity. So if cofactor or coenzyme is required, it is attached to this catalytic site so that it forms a proper alignment at the catalytic site to enhance the speed of this reaction or increase the rate of reaction. The substrate bind to the enzyme by weak forces or non-covalent bonds. These can be hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic interactions, electrostatic interactions, or van der Waals forces. And thereby, this attachment of substrate and enzyme is a loose attachment, it is not a firm attachment. Certain amino acids take part in the catalysis, they are called as catalytic residues. More commonly seen are serine, then cysteine, lysine, arginine, histidine, aspartate. Out of which the most commonly seen amino acid in the active site is serine. The OH group of serine and SH group, sulfhydryl group of cysteine take part in most of the catalytic reactions. In this active site, the specificity of these enzymes are due to active site. There occur proper alignment and proper binding of molecules, and so the specificity is the property contributed by this active site. Only specific substrate can bind at active site. This reaction at active site takes place like enzyme plus substrate reversibly converted into enzyme substrate complex. These are attached by weak forces, non-covalent forces. These enzyme substrate undergo various modification to form enzyme plus product. This product is utilized in further metabolism, whereas the enzyme is reutilized in the reaction. This active site provides a milieu for this reaction to take place. It provides an environment or milieu for the reaction to take place. At this active site, substrate or substrates are placed near to each other. Thereby, the proximity effect takes place. That means substrate or substrates, coenzyme, cofactors, they are all close together and aligned in such a way that transition state is formed with very low activation energy. Catalysis is further enhanced by the property of active site to shield substrate from surrounding water molecules. Thereby, the internal environment is different from that of surrounding cytoplasm. The polarity of active site or acidity or alkalinity or hydrophobicity at this active site is different than that of surrounding cytoplasm by shielding substrate from surrounding water molecules. And some enzyme has other site. These are called as regulatory site, where some modulators can attach and thereby they can enhance or increase or decrease the rate of enzymatic reactions. These regulators which modulate this rate of enzymatic reaction or regulate the reaction by enzymes, activity of which regulate the activity of enzymes are called as allosteric modulators or allosteric regulators.